Hello friends, here are the employment news from NEIPS Meghalaya Recruitment 2024. The Northeast Institute of Professional Studies or NEIPS, an educational institution in NONGSTOIN, Meghalaya invites application for the sofa or almira maker and full stack creative developer. The last date for submission of the application is 20 of May 2024. So parlong na kabanta ka ni ka recruitment arjar apsaw hapo nongstoin kabadai jong ka Northeast Institute of Professional Studies lani NEIPS code application na kabanta kinu kiba la ban shna sofa lane ki almira lane kumbangi ong hakten kasi ki almari haki standard lane pila ban shnaru ya ki full stock lane full stack creative developer kinu ki jingshna ki ba itna deka code application nakta kita na kabanta ba pintre hapo nongstoin bat kelas dit na kabanta kanika application kande ar poteri jong nai basan jar ar saw to mentang ni apit ya ke post name lane ki keteng jong ko post sofa maker or trainer an almira maker kinongshna shuki set lane shuki sofa bat ki almira set and number of post kande artali lane 2 place of posting anywhere in Meghalaya. Hang noru pila ban letre katba kapha kane ka company. Age limit 26 to 35 years and salary competitive and negotiable. Kajing si panlong kaba he ba. Essential qualification graduate's degree with a relevant skill certificates. Kinu ki bala pandep ka graduates lani ka degree but kibala don ya ka certificate ha kinu kijing traiti and skill required proven ability to effective teach and demonstrate technique for creating various types of sofas and almiras, that is wardrobe, cabinet, strong technical skill in furniture making, that is teaching technical skills. Please specify in this section the desired technical skill, example woodworking, joinery, upholstery, and minimum of 2 years of experience in furniture making or related training. So nakbanta ki skills lani ki jingla jung pi pade pi haban panchisha ba phila ban shna lani phila ban penmi ya kita ki shuki set bat ki almira ha ki rukom la jungpi bat ki rukom nang jungpi bat kita ki sofa lani almiraru ki dei ki bala design ha ki rukom kabi itana baru pila ban penchisha ba phi la dep ya ki training hapo ka furniture department bat kun juru pila ban ya thu lani pila ban peni ban pensisha ba phi tray jing tray kiti kum jing trading baru pila ban peni lani pila ban ra ya ka 2 years of experience at ya ka arsnem certificate ka ba phio na po ka furniture department ada pila le training ha ki department ba per ki badon hapo ka state Meghalaya. Number 2, keteng jeng post the full stack creative developer. Number of post can they 1, place of posting in nongstoin, age limit 26 to 35 years ka age limit kata ba pila ban apply kan they na do ar pundu do live sans nem bat ka jingsi panlong kawa he lane pila ru ban yakren kat kum ka jing tray ki jung phi. And essential qualification graduates, postgraduate with relevant skill certificates, example computer science, graphic design. But hakani ka full stack creative developer pade phi la ban apply gitu ki bala pendep ya ka graduate lane postgraduate but kumjuru ki bala pendep ya ka computer certificate lane computer science lane graphic design experience can be 3 years kinu kinu ki bala experience license name strong ru phila ban apply ya kani ka post and the skill required proficiency in website development language like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and framework. This specific framework if needed. Experience with app developer, Android or iOS, A+. Strong understanding of design principle and ability to create visually appealing user interface. Expertise in advertisement design software, example Photoshop, Illustrator, and how to apply for NIPS Meghalaya Recruitment 2024 SOFA Maker Trainer and Almira Maker and full stack creative developer jobs. Interested and qualified candidates are encouraged to submit their application document, cover letter, and resume to ceo.neips@gmail.com. Lagat pa diknu ki candidates ba kwa ban apply hapo kani ka NIPS recruitment ajar sau laban pha eki document jungpi ha kani ka email address kabadi jong ka ceo.nips@gmail.com Jeperlong akermen ba philaso thu shphang kani ka NIPS recruitment ajar sau tingin jasiam pan ha koi ki video khublai shibun